Hello, I proudly present the Arfa, an e-commerce furniture website enhanced by augmented reality to solve the different problems encountered by the shoppers. So here is the landing page. Later on, we're going to watch the short demo here in the landing page. And let's go and click the start now. After clicking that, it will navigate us to the catalog page where we can see all the available furnitures being sold by different sellers. We can also select the categories, and then we have the filters, pricing, as well as dimension. Let's click this Arabian family sofa. After clicking it, it will show us the details of the furniture, such as the descriptions, the price, the reviews, as well as the customer reviews. And here is we can view the images of the furniture. We can also view the 3D model of the furniture. We can change the color. We can zoom in and zoom out to see even the smallest detail of the furniture. We can also see here the dimension of the furniture. After clicking this, when we click this button, a QR code will show up. If you can scan it in your phone, it will navigate you to uh, the augmented reality space, just like in the landing page, just like this. So as you can see here, it lets us view the 3D model in our actual camera, where we can view it in our real own space. We can select colors. We can also move the 3D model using our fingertips. We can move around. We can move around just like that. And then we can also see here the dimension of the furniture. So basically, this is the main feature. It's an augmented reality that lets us view the 3D model in our own camera. So let's move on to the platform of the sellers. Let's log in. Here we can view some analytics such as the monthly revenue, purchases, total purchases, yearly transaction, etc. We can also view the recent orders. Here is where we manage our orders. We can view order and we can see the details of the order. And then we can also update the status of the furniture or the order. We can confirm it. We can also mark it ready and then pick up. After pick up, it lets us require a file, and then here is where we can add product. We can upload 3D models, images, and the list of the products, just like this. We can also manage our inventory. For example, 100. There you go. And then we can also review the reviews, just like this. And the hotspot feature. Then we can also select or set a specific fee on a specific area. So for example, here in region 1, we can set the delivery fee to 500, for example. We can also mark delivery as free. We can also manage our transaction. We can view the overall transaction, the reports, best-selling products by unit sold, most rated, the revenue. We can view the revenue as yearly. We can download a CSV file. We can also chat with the customer if they have any inquiries. We have this setting. We can set our security. We have also here the payout. You can choose it's either GCash or PayPal and the lookout button. And for my file structure, I use React.js. Here I have public folders, assets. I also have the image, the logos, videos, the components such as the dynamic, graphs, landing page, the models, navigation, skeletons, the tables, folder for interacting with the Firebase pages, for authentication, the seller page, the shopper page, our Zastans, and the router, the older version of router. And for the backend, in here, I actually used Firebase for storing the images and 3D models being uploaded. I also have here the authentication for authentication and the data collection of documents and the real-time database for the chatting feature. So that's it. That's basically Arfa. It's an e-commerce furniture website enhanced by augmented reality that let the user experience a unique interaction using augmented reality.